Sharper sight, sharper mind, enhancing cognitive function through vision, see more, think better, expanding horizons through vision, explore how a wide and unlimited field of vision can significantly impact your brain's ability to process information and make informed decisions. Recent findings by German researchers discovered that profound connection between visual intelligence, myopia, and how the brain processes information. It turns out that a staggering 99% of the decisions our brain makes are influenced by what our eyes see. Let's delve deeper into the concept that a better vision leads to a smarter you. The impact of vision on intelligence. The brain relies heavily on visual input to make informed decisions. Specific areas of the brain are dedicated to processing visual information and utilizing it from solutions and responses to our environment. The clearer and more comprehensive this input is, the better our brain can perform these complex cognitive functions. The benefits of a wide horizon. Expanding